Hello, I am Jorge from Ordinary Folk, and this is our Holdframe workshop. When Joey and School of Motion first reached out with the opportunity to work on the School of Motion manifesto, we were immediately thrilled. We knew that this was exactly the type of project we wanted to take on as a new studio and the type of work that would really allow us to show what we're capable of. In this workshop, we'll discuss how this project came to be, how we worked with various designers to set the look, all the 2D and hand-drawn trickery we used to pull this off, what role 3D and character animation played in the production, and we'll take a look at some of the happy accidents and lessons we learned along the way. We hope you enjoy!
When's the last time something moved you? Was it a flash of beauty? A twist of phrase? A bit of brilliance that blew your mind? What if you could move people like that? And what if you could do it with shapes, sounds, design, and movement? When it comes to motion design, we believe everyone deserves the chance to move from novice to superstar. So we've created an online place for that to happen, so no matter where you are, we're there too. We're opening up worlds of possibilities for our students, and we're kind of obsessed with doing it well. Our teachers aren't just skilled working professionals. They're also the top motion design experts in the industry. Our critiques aren't vague and generic. They're valuable insights about your work. Our classes aren't easy. They are intense and effective, a tidal wave of knowledge. And our students aren't faceless usernames watching talking head instructors. We're a tight-knit community of highly driven learners, filled with global collaboration, inspiration, opportunities, and plenty of fun characters. At School of Motion, we take a full art education, strip it down to the essentials, and supercharge it with real-world grit. And we're equipping our students to do amazing things for some of the best brands and studios out there. In fact, this thing you're watching right now, and even this, was made by School of Motion alumni. Now it's your turn to create something truly moving. And we're ready to help you do it. Because the things that move you forward move us too. School of Motion. We're not just a school. We're a movement.